What's up? What's up? It's your girl Georgette with another one. How y'all doing today? Do y'all like the short haircut? I hope you do. And the color? Yes. This is the new look. So thank you for stopping by. And if you're new to me, please watch to the end. I will leave videos popping up for you as well. Please subscribe at the end. Please share with someone. Because today's video is all about smiling and the effect we have on others with our smile. Do you know that you can win friends? You can influence people with your smile? Yes, you can. Let's try that. I'm going to challenge you guys to try that for 7 days. Not smile like an idiot for no reason, just to be intentional about smiling throughout the day. You know, smiling is so contagious. Even the most grouchiest, if that's a word, of person, if you smile at them, you may get a little cracky smile out of them too. You know, smiling is therapeutic. You know, when you walk by someone and they're just pleasant, smiling, their energy, their vibration is high. You get some of that as well from that person. And, you know, and I am actually reading the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. And one of the chapters spoke about how just to challenge yourself to smile all through the day. You know, yes, bad things do happen. They do. But you see, it's a choice that we make. Whether we smile or whether we frown. It's totally a choice. It's the same, frown or smile. But I find that in my own life, I promise you that even when I'm feeling down and I can smile, I cheer my own self up. And so in return, you do the same for others. And so that's what I drop in here, real quick, real short video, just to share with you guys the power of smiling, how you affect others when you smile. Look at the beautiful birds flying over. You know, and yesterday I had my spa day. Yesterday is when I got my hair cut, had my feet done, and pampered myself a bit. And I went into 3 places. And my hairstylist, he said to me, "Oh my gosh, it's only you, Georgia. Only you have this type of energy." You know, and smiling, and everybody in the salon started smiling. You know, persons I didn't know got into conversation, talking, because smiling is so contagious. It gives off that vibration of joy, happiness, you know, to be around someone that is just smiling and has high energy. And the other ladies that were having their hair done, I didn't know them personally, but we all got into talking, you know. And so when I went into the spa to have my feet done, you know, I went with the same energy and smiling at everyone. And morning, how y'all doing today? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a wonderful day today, having my feet done. It is so contagious. And in the spa again, I got into the longest of conversation talking about the law of attraction with the owner of the spa and meditation and, you know, all the other stuff. And so smiling is contagious. It is very powerful. It affects others. And when you walk away from their presence, they'll never forget you. I promise you, your name will be at the tip of their tongue, talking about the experience they have had in your presence. So I challenge you today to go throughout your day, even though bad things are happening to you, smile all day long. Smile at everyone you meet. I promise you the reward is so great. I've met wonderful people. I've came into wonderful favors and opportunities because of my vibration and energy. So I challenge you today to smile. I'm going to leave my step-by-step guide that I use. It's in the link below. Ladies, I have something specially for you. I love you so much. Please subscribe. Please like. Please share this video. Keep watching. their videos popping up. The rain is coming down. I'm heading on the inside. I love you guys.